Welcome. In front of me I have iPhone 12 mini and I'm going to show you how easy you can turn off this device. So on the right side we got the power button. It's right here. And on the left side we got the volume down and volume up buttons, right? So to turn it off we have to tap on the on the power button and also on the volume up button at the same time. So let's make it on the 3. 1, 2 and 3. Keep holding. Now just release and then slide to power off. As you can see, that's how we can turn off iPhone 12 mini. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.